Here we are out in my messy garage. I'm gonna do a series of videos on all of my window air conditioners that I have stored out here. This is gonna be a series of better videos for units that have already been filmed and introduction videos for units that haven't been filmed. Starting off with this, it's got a newer grill on it, but it's a I think it's like a 1980s, early 80s. Might even be mid 80s. Kenmore by Whirlpool. 7500 BTU. It's got a Tecumseh AK reciprocating compressor in it. It's a really small AK, but it still takes up about half of the chassis in the back. It also draws an eye-watering 12 amps. So without further ado, I'm going to power saver fan. And I do have to run the fan because otherwise it draws too much power and melts the extension cord. And the fan does not have low speed. I'm still trying to figure that out. But without further ado, here is high cool. This unit is already getting cold. It's already pretty darn cold. Now it is a cooler day though. It's in the fall, but it's nice. Anyways. You can hear that Tecumseh AK, it just purrs. Yeah, it's nice, cool, dry air. Now this unit, I got it from a neighbor. He bought a house that had this, and it does still have a, probably a 1980s, large chassis, probably like a 12,000 or so. It's a 120 volt unit, that has a Seeger in it. I will be getting that in the fairly near future once I have a place to store it. But this is just the one that I was able to get already because it was mounted in a window and it was easy enough to remove. I'm going to shut this off now. And that's it for this video. On to the next one.